keep it true. That's ninja swag, it's nothing new. We're gonna kick, punch, pow, pow. Sure shot, take you down, down. Because we're living proud, proud. Your heroes on the way. We love to save the day. Gonna reach that place that takes us higher. Your heroes on the way. We love to save the day. Gonna reach that place that takes us higher. Your heroes on the way. We love to save the day. Gonna reach that place that takes us higher. Your heroes on the way. We love to save the day. Gonna reach that place we call ninjago.
Out the door and I'm ready to go. It's me, version 2.0. Here's something you never seen, make it right. People talking about my dad's situation. I'll always be the shame of the nation. Could it be that they'll never see me as me? Operation New Me. Operation New Me. If you don't like what the world is saying, time to start a new conversation. You are not a no one. Deep down you're a top gun. Be your own wingman, wheels up to the sky. Operation New Me. Operation New Me. If you don't like what the world is saying, time to start a new conversation. Operation New Me. Operation New Me. If you don't like what the world is saying, time to start a new conversation. If you don't like what the world is saying, time to start a new conversation. I'm ready to go. It's me 2.0. You've never seen. Operation New Me. Operation New Me. If you don't like what the world is saying, time to start a new conversation. Me. Operation New Me. If you don't like what the world is saying, time to start a new conversation.
Say it again! Harmonize my name, nerds! Ha 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 ha! Dominate! Across your town and the big bad monsters come around. When skeletons rise up from the ground, it's Ramadan. Oh yeah! You feel the fear creep in your bones. You feel the earth shake in your toes. You pee your pants and you run back home. It's Ramadan. Tell them my name, nerds. The underworld king. I eat lightning. Listen to my skull can sing. Oh yeah. How strong? Fear my name. Can't you see that no one is greater than me? I kill anybody who disagrees. Everybody's thinking awesome is what he became. And having just 2 arms was lame, so I grew 2 more and I changed the game. Now I got 4 ways to punch you in the face. It's Ramadan. I sleep on blades. I use fire to shave. I'm on an evil crusade. Oh yeah! Ninjutsu surprise! Look into my red eyes! You know my name is Ramadan! Oh yeah!
It feels so right, I'm where I belong. 'Cause I found my place, I found my place. What a ride, I knew I was strong. Now I found my place, I found my place. And I never knew I had this power inside, yeah. That's me, double letter YD. My dad is bad, but yeah, we're still family. And they say the family keeps you safe from harm, but to gain a dad, I had to lose an arm. Come on, yeah. But just because you're different doesn't mean that you'll never make a difference. Oh, as long as you're with good friends, you can save the world. 'Cause we got the power that we never knew we had. It feels so right, I'm where I belong. 'Cause I found my place, I found my place. What a ride, I knew I was strong. Now I found my place, I found my place. My fists are faster, I use kung fu to avoid disaster. 'Cause nothing you can do is gonna block my punch. I'ma finish this fight by lunch. That's me, the city destroyed. I see a shark and it's ninjago. Punch, kick him in nunchucks quick. Just me and my clique and our necks look sick. Okay, okay, it took a little time to forgive you, Dad. Okay, okay, you know we owe it all to a giant cat. Wait, what? The legend of the ninja lives, but it's just too bad that his dad is Garmadon. Yeah, he's evil, but he loves his kids. Yeah, he's so savage. Cole's got a little bit of sarcasm in him, but he keep the record spinning. Mia's keeping everybody else in check, 'cause she does it with the water straight her neck. Big shouts to the mama that can make it on her own with the legendary son at home. Jay's got his head up in the clouds and he's flying through the sky. Where the guy's got a lot of energy and he's burning up his enemies. Fire Max, insane, he's bringing the pain. Yeah, there's ice in his veins. And Master Wu, we love
love that dude. Come on. Punch right, kick to the side. Well, let me see you do the ninja slide. Drop the boom, dance a doom.